Are you looking for the best ice cream makers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ice cream makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker. The Breville nabbed the top spot for its versatility, ease of use, and consistent results. Constructed with sleek, easy-to-clean stainless steel, the machine's design is both durable and attractive. Unlike models that require pre-freezing the bowl, the Breville's built-in compressor cools the mix as it churns, reducing prep time and making back-to-back batches easy. The machine's intuitive design and settings also made adjusting batch firmness on the fly easy. I always go for the gelato setting to control ice crystallization, says Tyler Malek of Salt and Straw, noting how the Breville's dasher speed and timing allow for a finer, denser consistency. Most notable of all the models tested was the feature that gives you just a little extra control over the texture, says pastry chef and writer David Lebovitz. It allows you to create different styles of ice cream. Also setting the Breville apart is its keep cool function, which holds the ice cream at the ideal temperature for up to 3 hours without affecting consistency. You can run it 3, 4, even 10 times in a row, says Malek, making multiple flavors in one day without issue, which is rare in home-use ice cream makers. Number 2. Cuisinart 1.5 Quart Frozen Yogurt and Ice Cream Maker, ICE21P1. This Cuisinart is the little engine that could. It is reliable and budget-friendly, ideal for occasionally making ice cream. The heavy-duty motor handled dense mixtures with no trouble, including gently blending in chunky addends like roughly chopped peanut butter cups without pulverizing them and still producing smooth and creamy results. The ice cream maker features a simple yet highly effective mixing paddle, creating light and fluffy ice cream in every batch. No other ice cream I made held up as well after 24 hours in the freezer post-churning. It did not become hard or dense and retained its light texture. It's a very well-built piece of equipment, says Kim Bukowski, ice cream industry veteran and current director of the Dairy Certificate Program at Cornell Dairy Foods Extension, which trains ice cream producers nationwide. With its 1.5 quart capacity, this machine produced its ice cream in approximately 20 minutes after the 24 hours spent pre-freezing the double-insulated bowl. No other machine was more user-friendly. It has only 4 parts and operates with a single on-off switch. In terms of maintenance, it was super convenient. Having used overly complicated kitchen equipment with countless parts, I found that the machine could be quickly disassembled when I was done, and all parts were easily washable with soap and warm water, as recommended. Number 3. Ninja CREAMi 7-in-1 Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja CREAMi stood out for its uniqueness in the field. Its 7 automatic programs offer an extraordinarily versatile experience that can create ice cream, smoothie bowls, milkshakes, sorbet, and more. Unlike the compressor models, the CREAMi relies on pre-freezing the ingredients and blending them with the high-speed processing blades Ninja is known for to create a smooth texture. Like models that need you to freeze the bowl, the CREAMi requires you to plan, but the machine is highly efficient, producing a creamy result in minutes. It's basically an at-home PacoJet, says Malek. The PacoJet is a machine used in commercial kitchens that can turn just about anything into ice cream but costs thousands of dollars. It's especially good at turning things that you want to be serving at warmer temperatures. I would not recommend it for an ice cream that you want to churn and then reharden and scoop later. During testing, the CREAMi consistently delivered smooth, creamy textures across all of its offerings, though it performed best with freshly served ice cream. Its mix-in mode allows for adding items like chocolate chunks or berries, but the powerful blades sometimes overprocess them, leading to a more integrated, less chunky texture. Another advantage is its compact size, which was ideal for my cramped counters. Most of the parts are also dishwasher safe, and it requires the least amount of cleaning out of all the models tested. Number 4. Cuisinart Mix-It & Soft Serve 1.5 Quart Ice Cream Maker. The Cuisinart Mix-It & Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker stands out for bringing the sticky, drip joy of soft serve to your kitchen, complete with built-in topping dispensers. The design mimics a scaled-down professional soft-serve machine with a pull-down handle for dispensing. The whole experience was a big hit in my house. While the machine is straightforward, it requires some patience for the best results. The bowl must be thoroughly frozen, needing at least 24 hours in the coldest part of the freezer, and works best when the ingredients are also as cold as possible. During testing, I found that peak soft-serve consistency was reached in about 30 minutes, though batches occasionally needed more time. The toppings dispenser, while cute, was not super efficient. There was topping spillage, and the counter required a good wipe down afterward. Those notes aside, for soft-serve lovers, there was a particular novelty to making it at home. Number 5. KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker Attachment. If you already own a KitchenAid mixer, even a 30-year-old one like mine, the ice cream maker attachment is an innovative, space-saving addition. The ice cream it makes is on par with a model like the simple Cuisinart tested above. It allows you to add an ice cream maker to your arsenal without purchasing another bulky piece of equipment to store. It's simple and straightforward and is compatible with mixers 4.5 quarts and larger. Like most machines tested, preparation is critical. The bowl must freeze for at least 15 hours, ideally in the coldest part of your freezer. The attachment includes a mixer bowl, drive assembly, and dasher. Attach the bowl to the mixer arms, place the dasher, secure everything, and you are off and running. I found that starting the mixer at the lowest speed before pouring your ice cream mix avoided premature freezing and crystallization. David Lebovitz is a fan. I like it because it's open, so if you like to add mix-ins to your ice cream, it's super easy. The other thing about it is you can change the speed. They say only do low speed, but you can change it if you want to fluff it up. However, freezing times can be inconsistent. While the included recipes suggest 20 minutes, most batches took around 40 minutes. Successful batches, like my standard strawberry test mix, berries were on sale all week at my local co-op when I tested over the summer, resulted in creamy, soft-serve textures. The ice cream also did well after being transferred to the freezer overnight. Cleanup went quickly as the drive assembly and dasher are dishwasher safe, and the bowl can get a quick hand wash.